guys, Jay here, and welcome to another cosplay review. Today we're doing a little bit different thing here. I got Hardy with me.
Special guest.
So, yeah, this is actually his costume because I already did mine. My costume was Rimuru from that time I got reincarnated as a slime, and we tried to make his costume, which was originally going to be Ranga, the wolf character thing. We're going to do a human version. Didn't work. So, like, it didn't work at all, no matter what we tried. So, he's going to do Souei instead, and just in case people care about what we're doing as a group, Atlas will be doing Benimaru. Whatever. Anyway, you guys may have seen it in a previous tutorial. I made his horn, and he was in the thumbnail for the horn. So, right. Yeah. Anyway, today we're unboxing, reviewing, whatever, his costume, and I accidentally opened it. So,
jerk.
Quick story here. I got my red cosplay for PAX, which is actually this weekend, and it was coming the same day that this arrived. So, yeah, I opened it by accident thinking it was red.
Mine came first.
Oh well. Yeah, technically. So, anyway, came in this big old bag here. It came with another bag around it that I opened and threw away. But it
protection.
was, yeah, all it was the shipping thing. So, get on into it. What do you want to pull out first? There's pants on top, it looks like.
Well, let's pull out the pants first. Ah, it's nice and stretchy. This reminds me of my Natsu cosplay.
Ah, well, there you go. So that means that there's a better chance they'll fit you because they stretch really far. And they stretch on the legs too, on the ankles.
Which means it's probably not going to reach my ankles this way, yeah.
Yeah.
But it should be fine.
That's not bad. I could always make those tighter if you ended up needing them to be. But, yeah. If you ended up needing this to be tighter at all, because it maybe doesn't tighten far enough, because sometimes they make them too big, then I can do that too. That's not a big deal.
I'm sure it'll be fine. I know I'm not going to get any like marks on this if I wear it over my underwear.
Yeah. It's nice and thick too, which is really nice.
Ooh. What do we have here?
So those are the arm things, it looks like.
Oh, wow, these feels nice.
You can try those on right now, since you have open arms. Okay, those need to get, they go on the wrist. Okay, so those need to get tightened.
Yes,
so
they do.
I'll probably sew those up. They need to get tightened a lot. Or just add more Velcro to it, but that shouldn't be bad. Let me see. Where oh good. The Velcro for it, the soft side of the Velcro is on the outer side, so I can always add more going down, and then you can tighten this even more. So I can do that with thicker, yeah, that'll work. I can do that, that'd be easy.
Yeah.
So, yeah, they need to be fixed, it looks like. So, that's not a big deal. Yeah.
I'm not going to close, I just want to see how tight it is.
Yeah.
That can make it.
Here, let me do it. Let me do it.
Yeah.
Because it's really hard to do with one hand. So, it looks like this needs to go all the way out to here.
I need an adult.
That's pretty far.
Yeah. At least we know how far.
Yeah, so that's something at least. Okay. But, oh, and they're also made of a pleather. It's not a vinyl, it's a cheap pleather because it's a bought costume. That's just how these things are. So it's not bad though. They're pretty nicely made.
Completely last minute too. Let's see what we have here.
Oh yeah, what is that?
This probably has to be the shirt. Nope.
No.
Looks like the skirt.
Shirt's white. Oh, this is the thing that goes around his waist. Yeah.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
It's not a dress. It's a kilt.
Yeah.
Sicko. It's not bad. I like that it's very long. The fact that it can go all the way down my legs.
We could always hem it if needed. We don't know exactly where he wears it, so if we need to hem it, I can do that. That's not a big deal. Because it does look a little long.
Yeah, that's true.
And it looked like it opened.
You can. There's a Velcro on the front of it.
Yeah. Nice. And if it needs to be tighter, I could always add more Velcro to that.
Okay.
Sweet.
That is pretty good. And now...
Also, these are made, everything that isn't the arm things, stuff like this and the pants, they're made out of that cheap uniform cloth is what they call it. But it's basically like a polyester type material.
I put this over my belly. I don't think it would go around my waist. It would just be too tight.
What is that?
This is going to be the belt. The belt's going to be around his waist when he wears that skirt. That way no one can see the hole.
Put it around you and let's find out.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that needs to be a little bit longer, but...
It's totally fine.
Yeah, it's not
If it was any lower, then obviously my belly could probably rise over it.
Yeah. We'll figure it out when the time comes.
So far, so good.
I'll bring a bunch of extra stuff to KomoriCon, which is where we're doing this.
We're going to be doing a lot of work on this, yes.
Yeah. We got to fix a lot of it.
Okay.
And, this looks like it goes over the
neck.
Yeah. It's like a cowl or something.
I think so.
That's what that's called.
Usually I wear this as an accessory, but...
Or capelet, I mean. Cowl's the thing Batman wears.
Your pharaoh commands you.
Oh, God.
Sorry, I'm playing too much Yu-Gi-Oh! I'm actually going to be playing Yu-Gi-Oh! When we go to PAX tomorrow. It's going to be a lot of fun.
Looks like they gave you... I don't know what this goes... Is this go on top of the other one?
This is another one? Ooh. I guess so.
I don't know. Let me look up a picture of him.
Wow. I never knew this came with a second skirt. He has layers.
Apparently.
I mean, Souei is a good character, but we barely see any screen time of him in the anime. I was thinking about doing Benimaru or Rimuru one day. I just love all the characters, really.
Oh, it goes under.
Oh, that's
so this one goes under the long one.
So I'm gonna be wearing
like it looks like it's opposites. Like so this would go on this side, where the opening to this one would go on this side.
Oh, I see.
That's kind of what it's looking like.
It's such a weird design, though.
Yeah, you can see it here better.
Oh, I see now. Yeah, that would make sense.
Okay. So, yeah, we just need to look up... I'll probably, like, skim through the anime. Whatever.
I guess all left is the jacket.
Yep. Le jacket.
Le jagot.
Oh, it's actually really nice looking.
Yep. This is the only design they have on it.
And it has a zipper in it? Yeah.
Yeah, zipper. Looks like they just ironed this on.
Oh yeah, definitely. That's how they normally do it. So just be careful, I guess.
Yeah, it will balance out.
Yeah. Just don't, if you end up needing to wash any of this stuff, be sure to put it on gentle.
Gentle. Yeah,
so
we have
it doesn't destroy it.
Brand new washer. Has all the features in it.
Ooh, nice. So do we.
It's Perm Press.
What's that? Oh, that's the receipt.
Yes.
All in Japanese.
All in Japanese.
Amazing.
Oh, Chinese. I'm sorry.
No, it's probably Japanese. Wait. No, you're right. It's probably Chinese.
Yeah, most of the cosplays they're made in China anyway.
Yeah.
Other than that, not bad.
Seems like that's it. So stop making noise into the microphone. All right. So next, he's gonna be trying it on pretty soon. Here, we're probably gonna cut. It'll probably be like an hour or so, and then he's gonna try it on, so you guys can see what it looks like on, I guess.
I'm going to turn from Hardy to Souei.
Yeah. So, it's been more than a couple hours. We meant to do this the same day, but that never happened.
It's been a week.
Yeah, it's been a week. So, we're doing this now instead. And I got this camera because we can do close-up stuff with this camera. See what happens there. So, we got to do the test fitting of everything, which most of it should fit. A lot of it's got elastic on it. So,
yeah.
I guess we'll see what that looks like. So, we'll be right back with that, I guess. All right, so ready for the reveal? Ta-da! And it actually fits. So we're gonna use this, and yeah. Oh, that's not staying.
I mean, we could do it with the wig, but we didn't have time.
Yeah, but we really like it. It's really nice. So it's got these up here. This it's not exactly correct, but it's really damn close. This we're gonna have to probably switch back out. So I don't know. It's not really nice. It's supposed to be all like a scarf kind of, but it doesn't do that. I might be able to pin it. I'm gonna see what I can do. And then I like the detail on these right here. These are kind of cool. So they look right. It's hard to tell. I might be able to weather these a little bit to make the lines darker. See what I can do there too. So this just ironed on. So that's gonna fall off eventually.
Not the best, but
at some point we can stitch one back on or something. I can even actually stitch around that so that if it starts to come undone, it'll still be on there.
Terrific.
And then yeah, we got everything, and the bottom like half skirt piece thingy actually works the way it's supposed to. I didn't realize it was rounded off like that. I thought it was just straight, so it rounds off correctly. So it does what it's supposed to do. And everything works out. And he has his own boots that we're going to probably make boot covers for. Alright, so that was the Souei costume from that time I got reincarnated as a slime. We would put his wig on and stuff like that, but it's over there, and I don't care. And I had to redo the horn thing, because the horn is, well, it was like twice as long as it needed to be. So I had to take it off the headband, cut it down. Haven't gotten a new headband to put on it yet, and I'm just lazy at this point. So I'll do that eventually, and that's why we don't have the wig on and stuff, or the full costume. Plus, he needs 2 swords on his back, so we're gonna figure out how to get those on too. We'll figure something out. I was thinking like a Deadpool thing, that, you know, the thing Deadpool cosplayers wear with the 2 swords.
Oh, absolutely.
Thinking using one of those because they're black. I don't know. You can even get like a kid's one or something that's smaller in the back, so you don't see it, and then just put bigger katanas in it. That could be a thing. We'll see what happens, I guess. Or you can buy one online and see what happens there. But I have no idea.
This cosplay is like 70% complete, but other than that, it is terrific.
Actually,
I really
it's way more than... Well, doing the weathering on this and fixing this.
That, and the wig, and the horn, and of course the swords.
Well, the wig's done, actually. But it's not great, but it's better than nothing. But, yeah. So, these 2, the horn and the swords, and that's it. So, I would say probably like 90% done, because those are all easy.
Yeah. I am looking forward to when it's fully complete and we actually get some decent
Yeah, exactly. And I might have some white fabric that I can do stuff with this. Because I had white fabric from when I remade part of my red costume for PAX. So it's possible that I could stitch some of that together and make a scarf out of it, make a long scarf, and then you could wrap that around, which will look a lot better. And it's the same type of fabric, because these are the same type of fabric most costumes that you buy are made out of. So I made sure to go get that kind of fabric because that's what my coat is made out of. So, yeah. Alright, that's going to be it for this video. If you like it, go ahead and hit that like button. If you want to see more, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.